in this playlist of JavaScript makes sense, we're gonna see all the underlying concepts of JavaScript. What mistakes people do is they start with a framework like React or Angular and learn JavaScript along the way. So this thing makes it hard for you to understand. You're not getting the JavaScript, not the framework, okay? So because JavaScript is a high level programming language, means all the complexity is abstracted from us. Like if you take a language like C, it is a low level language. It's pretty close to hardware, okay? You have to manually do things in those programming languages. Okay, so those things are handled by the language engine in a high level language like JavaScript. Now, if you do not have the understanding of those manual things, the code won't make much sense to you. Now, on top of that, React or Angular is another level of abstraction over JavaScript. So, how these frameworks are doing things seems magic to you. So, this playlist will help you with that. After completing this playlist, you can open the source code of a framework, say React, and it will make sense to you. Okay, because that is plain JavaScript. There is another scenario, say if you are an advanced programmer in another language like Java or C sharp, and if you think like I can start with a framework and it will make sense to me, I can tell you that JavaScript is nothing like Java or C sharp. So if you are coming from Java, maybe the name is similar, but it's like Fire and Firefox. Okay, so this JavaScript makes sense playlist will give you the perspective of how things are working in JavaScript world, and it will make you a better JS developer. So let's start with the next video.